how to change mouse and trackpad pointer speed on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. So after click on general management, scroll down and you will see mouse and trackpad is here. So click on mouse and trackpad. So if you want to change mouse and trackpad pointer speed, so you will see pointer speed is here. So you will change speed from here, slow from here, fast. After changing, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change mouse and trackpad pointer speed on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.